everyone. Welcome to the weekend edition of Quietfire Creations. It's wedding weekend here, and I will be sharing projects using newly released wedding dies and stamps designed by Suzanne of Quietfire Design. I'm Kathy Jo, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment at the end of this YouTube video or on the blog post on Quietfire Creations. So the weekend event is divided into two major parts of the wedding. Today's projects will include the save the date cards all the way up to the invite package. Tomorrow is going to focus on the reception and on the thank you cards. So let's just dive right in to the first project, which is the save the date card. What I like about Suzanne's calligraphy is that it's classic, it's timeless, it's beautiful. I just love the elegance of all the swirls. It's so pretty, and it's a perfect front to a save the date card. Now, most of my cards and the projects used will have the same theme to it, which is a classic, simple, elegant theme. But I also peppered in some other styles just in case you want to go a little different than what I'm showing you with the other projects. So as I said, the first project is the save the date card. So this is the beautiful save the date die. What I did was I die cut it using kind of a coppery metallic cardstock. The hearts are from the new release die set, and it's a set of two dies. One is paw prints and the other one is called heart sprays. So what I did, I had a whole bunch of the scrap pink paper left. I ran it through using the heart sprays die, and I have hearts on I think almost everything that I created on these sets. So it's got the beautiful, elegant metallic save the date, and I wanted to add a simple edging there. So what I did was I took a Krylon marker, it's in copper. I die cut the ivory cardstock to size, and I applied the marker on the edge. You don't have to do that, that was just my choice, but I just thought I'd point that one out to you. On the inside, it's some of Suzanne's beautiful stamps. So the inside was created using two stamp sets. These are also both new releases. So the first stamp set, I chose to use Something Special is Coming, or Happening, I mean, and then Invitation Coming Soon. As you can see, there's different ones. Please Join Us is really pretty. Be There or Be Square, that is quite humorous. That'd be perfect for a little birthday party too. And then she also created month and day stamps. So you can see the June 4th there. Again, love the swirl, so pretty. So this is one style of card. And if you didn't want to go with the with that look, I also created a little chalkboard style. So I just took black cardstock, I die cut the save the date in white, and then I used Distress Oxide and Worn Lipstick, and I took a sponge. I sponged it on there to give it the chalkboard look. And then again, there's more of those hearts from that heart spray set. I put just little gems in the center of it just for a little emphasis there. Now, if you don't like the chalkboard look, I also did the save the date in what Suzanne called Summer Floral, which it definitely describes it perfectly. It's so pretty, it's got a lot of bright colors to it. So this is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card. And then I just matted the pattern paper on it. I took vellum paper, adhered that, and then I double die cut the save the date. I die cut it in pink, because there's a little bit of pink right there, and then also in the white. And again, you can use the stamps on the inside. And then you have some sweet little save the date cards. So next I created the formal invite package. So I created a little pocket. The pocket is an Elizabeth Craft Design pocket. Elizabeth Craft Designs, they are the manufacturers of Suzanne's dies, and if you are interested in buying the dies or the stamps, they're available both at Quietfire Design and also on Elizabeth Craft Designs. So I just happen to have the pocket die from Elizabeth Crafts, and I ran that through using the pink paper. I cut ivory paper again the size, I used a marker on it, and I mounted it just on pink paper. Create a little pocket. Now I didn't show the envelope but for the RSV card, but you would just pop the envelope in. That's a beautiful RSVP, and I love the V there and the swirls. It was just so beautiful and just so, it's like uplifting. It has energy to it and happiness. So I made sure that I had the hearts coming out of that. And then the You're Invited card. Again, more of the pretty copper metallic paper. This flourishes in another one of Suzanne's die sets. And it looked perfect underneath there. Added more of the hearts. And then I took the stamp sets again. We welcome your presents, June 4th, no need for presents. Now, you might recognize this if you follow my blog. I did use the You're Invited on baby card recently. So if you don't like the flat style card for the You're Invited, you could also make a top fold or a side fold card easily. So that looks super cute. Oh, and that die too, the onesie, is also Suzanne's. So that is today's projects. From the save the date to the package going out to all the invited friends and family on your list. So that is what I call the elegant set, and then the chalkboard and the summer floral. So there is a giveaway today, and there will be more details on the blog post. I do know that it is a gift certificate to the Quietfire Design store. So if you are getting married, or if you want to help out a loved one on your list that is getting married, this could be a perfect gift to buy the dies and the stamps and start creating and making your invites and your information for your upcoming wedding super special. So thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to stop by tomorrow as we look at the reception and the thank you cards. Have a good day. Bye.